What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the meal prep by Allmax Nutrition. Real food sourced all in one meal. I'm holding here the blueberry cobbler flavor. It also comes in a banana nut bread similar to the mammoth meal. So nice meal replacement here. We're looking at a protein blend coming from meat, eggs, and legumes. Whole grain fusion, so rolled oats, rice, quinoa, flax, nuts, and seeds. Fruit and vegetable melody of dark greens, berries, and citrus. Superfood matrix of mushrooms, ginger, matcha green tea. An electrohydration complex with sea salt, calcium, potassium. Now this comes in a 5.6 pound tub. I'm going to dig a little deeper into the ingredients here. Depends on how many scoops you're going to take. One scoop has 140 calories, but I'll talk about the 4 scoop serving, which is usually what most people are going to take. And with 4 scoops, we're looking at 550 calories. 9 grams of fat, 660 milligrams of sodium, 67 grams of carbohydrates, with 9 of these being dietary fiber and only 2 of them being sugar, and 50 grams of protein. So that is pretty good. When we look at the protein blend, we're looking at real protein concentrate coming from pea protein isolate, beef protein, chickpea protein, chicken protein, egg white albumin, organic pumpkin seed protein, water lentil protein, salmon protein, and almond protein. So those are all whole food sources. No way there. Very unique. Their whole grain fusion is containing whole grain oat powder, walnut meal, organic sweet potato powder, sesame seed powder, brown rice flour, quinoa powder, and golden flaxseed powder. So there's a lot in the whole grain fusion. So you look at the fruit and vegetable melody, they got organic kale, spinach, organic broccoli powder, beetroot powder, carrot root powder, blueberry powder, organic cranberry powder, cherry powder, banana fruit powder, blood orange powder, organic apple powder, pear fruit powder, and grapefruit powder. So there's a whole lot of different fruits in there blended up into a powder form. It's different. The superfood matrix contains reishi, which is a type of mushroom, turmeric root powder, matcha green tea powder, cinnamon powder, garlic powder, and ginger root extract. So as you can see, lots of whole foods in it. Really nice. I actually really like that because it's essentially like eating a whole meal, but you're drinking it. The meal prep from Allmax is really cool. A very different product. Also reviewed the mammoth meal, but this one's it's got a little bit better ingredients. But I want to review it here for you guys. In terms of the taste, the meal prep, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. It doesn't taste as good as a mammoth meal, but it still is quite good. Comes in a couple different flavors, the blueberry cobbler being my favorite. Haven't had the banana nut bread, but I mean, if you really like banana nut bread, it's probably going to be pretty good. In terms of effective ingredients, this is getting a 9 out of 10. Like, really good quality. It's got every different fruit, vegetable that you could ever imagine in this. Good quality protein coming from number 1 pea protein and beef protein, so whole food again, and it's got superfoods in it. So this is like your all-in-one one-stop shop. Allmax Nutrition did a fantastic job with this product. It's good for replacing your protein, or it's good for replacing a meal. If you need it, you can carry this on the go, and it's going to give you probably better than what you're going to get from anywhere while you're on the go. So really do like that. Overall, I'm going to give the meal prep a 9 out of 10. It's a little bit better than the mammoth meal in terms of ingredients. It doesn't taste as good, but it makes up for that with everything that it's got going on in it. Really, really cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time.